Morning, guys. It's the 11th of February. We are Signal Centre Talking Ball. Joe Neighbour, Ian Coleman, and Steve O'Hare. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How are we all?
Yeah,
Fair
not
to
too
middling.
bad.
Everyone's survived the storm.
It's still
We've
blowing,
still got
isn't
it here.
It's nice, bright sunshine here today, but a little bit windy, but it's
I
better.
could hear bins going over in the middle of the night again.
Nice. Bin dippers.
That,
I thought you lived in Sheffield, not Liverpool.
It might just be
Oh,
loads of
easy.
scallywags.
Easy, Tiger.
Okay, so how do we all do yesterday on these trades?
Not very good.
Shocking.
We was all in on Aussie.
Did we all get stopped out?
Not everyone.
I think you had a
Oh.
winner, Steve, actually.
No, I was got stopped.
I got 0.73R on Aussie yen, stop on Aussie dollar, and a 0.68R loss on Aussie New Zealand.
So one down, basically.
Yes. So trades
Okay.
today. Struggling a little bit, I must admit. I've actually spent some time trying to find some trades today, and I can't find anything. Anybody else got anything to
Yeah, I've got one.
fill the gap while I'm waiting? Go on then.
Fill the gap. Right. Share screen. Cable figures today. Cable figures, sterling figures, I should say. Due out at 9:30 GDP. I'm going for a strong sterling. I see this pattern in Euro sterling. I think it's a bottoming pattern, but I think it's not at the bottom as yet. So decent rally to the upside, and then this choppy move sidewards as we're going lower within this channel formation. I've got a confluence area down here, 78.6 and 127.2. So I think what it's going to do eventually is going to form a Gartley, but down here I've got bespoke resistance located at 84.66 where we're trying to get long. It's now at 84.56, so I'm going to take that level there. So I'm looking to get short at current levels, 84.56, targeting 83.45, stop at 84.91, resulting in a 3.4-ish R.
Nice.
Hope so.
Okay. I am looking. Well, first of all, I was looking at these Aussie currency pairs because they all had a bit of a move to the upside yesterday, but look like they're turning over. This is AUDCAD, so it's rallied into a 50% fib level. If we look at how it looks on the longer term charts, you've got a big downtrend on the weekly. It's sort of not really going anywhere on the daily, trapped in this range. And then in the short term, we've had this rally up here. So I was going to sell that with a stop above today's high. It's only 16 pips with a target down to those lows, which is 3.3R. But I keep getting my head turned by this, which is the DAX. So a possible swing failure up here. We've seen a couple of attempts at trying to break through this level. We've had a little poke above, probably flushed out some stops, I'd imagine. But now we've got in this nice looking reversal candle. So
which one are you doing?
Yeah, hold on. I'm doing DAX.
I think the R's.
He's nicking them
Steve,
all.
are you doing DAX?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Okay,
but you can do it if you want. I don't mind.
No, you can.
I've got a better reason to do it than you.
Okay.
I haven't really. It's the
You're
same
not buying
reason.
it, are you?
No, I'm not. No.
Okay. Well, I think we could head back down to these highs here, which is about 13,300, I think. Yeah. So 7.3R.
Yeah, nice one.
Potentially on that. So
what's your stop?
My stop is at 13,644.
Okay. I'll put my stop just higher than that, and my profit take just inside that.
Okay, so that's my trade for the day. So I did like the look of that Aussie one, but this is the one that's exciting me a bit more because there's a bit more R on offer.
Yeah, nice. Okay, I'll share this. Yeah, pretty much looking at the same. The DAX, I was long at this yesterday, cut out before the overnight session, unfortunately. It always seems to be these overnight rallies. Now, this is like maybe an extension of the head and shoulders. It's not really a great pattern to look at, but I think the fact it's hitting these monthly highs again. This is a monthly chart. A weekly chart. The fact it's hitting those is pretty important. we've obviously got on the monthly chart, you've got this very bullish looking candle, but we're still early Feb, so that could all change. And yeah, just really highlighting that shooting star type candle there, and it's like reacted from this 13,628 level on this chart. Other charts may have a slightly different high, so I'm going to sell this as well.
Someone got a seal in their house.
It's Trev. The boy's leaving for school. He don't like it.
Looking after him, is he?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm obviously going to put my stop just outside yours, Joe.
Yeah.
Just to sort of like make you go, oh, why didn't I do my stop there?
36.50.
51. Oh, why didn't it do it? Oh, it's down here.
What price you got on there, Steve?
It's
Your
got to
entry
be,
price. We got different prices.
13,590, have we?
I'm looking at the DE30 EUR chart, which is a Winder, I think.
Oh, right. Yeah, I don't know which one I'm on GR30, maybe FXCM or something. And so 91. So it's a 60 tick stop. And I'll make it a 300 tick profit. Nice little 5R.
Nice.
That'll do. That'll do, Donk. I've just sold this myself now.
Where was the target? 32.91?
Yeah, 13,291.
Okay. Excellent. So balls deep in DAX today between us.
That'll do, Donkey.
Okay, news-wise, anybody's got to...
No, just the coronavirus. You've seen President Xi really upset that everyone's stopping production, and they should say plow on through it. You know, wipe your nose and get on with it.
Okay.
So
literally,
it's not really looking very good. Obviously, there's rumours of the figures being underestimated by 10 times. So that may come and bite the equities in the ass, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. And just going back to that report from Nomura, the analyst said that it's going to have a devastating impact on the Chinese economy from January and February, and that the market has massively underestimated the extent of this disruption.
We like a bit of scaremongering, don't we?
Yes.
So just in the news that we got this morning in our report about China, President Xi stated on Monday that the situation regarding the coronavirus outbreak is still severe. According to Xi, there will be more decisive measures to contain the spread in Hubei, with increased spending on clinically effective drugs. Also, further reports that the Chinese companies were looking for bank loans to soften the impact of the coronavirus. Also, cautious comments from the WHO officials over transmission trends and the spread of the virus among people who had not been to China also raised concern. So equities, as you say, are just not bothered at the minute, are they, at all? But I don't know what's going to be the catalyst with regards to coronavirus. That's going to actually make people start worrying.
I think you need to see a few more fatalities overseas, I think. That'll then...
It's over 1,000 in China now, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, like you say, it's probably very underestimated. So
the gains came even with World Health Organization warning the spread of the virus amongst people who had not been to China could spark a bigger flame and a bigger fire.
Okay. We've got a number of testimonies today from central bank chiefs. We've got Powell, we've got Lagarde, and we've got Carney all speaking today, although the market impact is expected to be very limited. But just worthwhile noting, we've got Powell at 3 o'clock and we've got Carney at 3:35. Before that, we've got UK GDP at 9:30 and we've got industrial production at 9:30 as well. So keep an eye on your sterling pairs if you've got any this morning.
Okay, lovely.
I have euro sterling.
You have euro sterling, yes. So I think that's pretty much it. I can't see much else that's worthwhile discussing at this stage.
No, nothing.
So good luck with your trades and we'll catch everybody tomorrow.
Excellent.
Enjoy.
Have a good one. Bye-bye.